Good day, this is Evelyn Ackah from Ackah Business Immigration Law. I hope you're well. I wanted to share a great news story and a wonderful testimonial we received from a client yesterday. He contacted us and was in quite a stressful situation. He had done his own green card application for spousal sponsorship. His wife is American and he's Canadian, and they've been living in the States for many, many years, and he believed he could do everything on his own, and so he did. And unfortunately, one element of the application he may have answered incorrectly, and the application came back refused. And now he had to deal with the resubmission, and he had a deadline. It was actually, the deadline is today, so this was yesterday. And although it's not really in our wheelhouse, I could see maybe parts of the argument that would have assisted him. So we did a consult with him, a paid 1-hour consult, and we prepared a letter to help support his other submissions. And he was so grateful, and this is what makes it all worthwhile. His wife has cancer and has COVID and needs medical coverage. And if he was asked to leave the United States because of this refusal, they would have no medical coverage for his wife, who is very gravely ill. And in the midst of all of this as well, this year, his mother died, who's a Canadian, and he also wasn't able to come to Canada for the funeral. So just really feeling very vulnerable, and nobody seemed to be able to assist. And us at Ackah Law taking the time to listen and offer some guidance and what we could do that we felt comfortable with to help support him. And I even reviewed his 10-page submission and corrected it, and typos and editorial grammatical changes, and sent it back, all within an hour and a half. So very much grateful to the Ackah Law team, and also this client was very, very appreciative that we took the time to listen and to be supportive and empathetic, which is what we pride ourselves on here at Ackah Law. We go above and beyond, and I think it's also a lesson for everybody that sometimes it is absolutely worth it to just hire a professional who knows what they're doing, because these situations, are too stressful, and you're leaving your hands in the government decision makers' hands, but you haven't sought proper counsel. There's a reason why people do this work for a living, and lawyers become specialists in this area and experts. I've been doing this work for 22 years. We would have referred him to one of our U.S. colleagues to help him do it right. It's hard to fix a mistake that you've made because you haven't used counsel. So this is definitely a painful lesson to learn, but we're hopeful and fingers crossed that he will get the result he wants at the end of the day. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.